So we will continue with the next application, that is AR in mobile. So nowadays we have Play Store, and in Play Store we have n number of applications regarding augmented reality. So one of the app is called as Ruler app, which is AR based mobile app, which has been initiated in the year 2021. It is actually compatible with Android, iPads, and iPhones, and it can be on screen. It is actually useful for this checking the dimension of any object. For example, furnitures like sofas, pillows, tables, vases, and so on. So other mobile apps other than this Ruler app, we have Decorate AR, Dualex Visualizer, and Paint Tester, which use augmented reality technology for placing the furniture, resizing the variety of household entities, etc. See, this augmented reality is mainly used for example, we are purchasing through online means. It appears to be we are at the particular shop, and we can see where we can place that furniture through online itself. Means at home, in which particular place we can place that furniture. So it that much easily we can identify to play where to place our furniture through online itself. So that is the advantage of augmented reality. And the next is tracking for augmented reality. Tracking the process itself, we can define like it's the measuring the interactions and movements of a digital object in the real world. So we have a AR tracker here, which has a specific pattern or image which an augmented reality app can recognize. So once the app finds the pattern, the duty is it constantly tracks the position of the pattern in real world space, so the app can accurately place a virtual object into the tracker. So we have 3 AR features running simultaneously. One is Wikitude, object tracking, image tracking, and positional tracking. We will see one by one. So what is actually object tracking is, by the definition itself, I can say to measure any small toys or any small objects, we can use this tracker. So which will superimpose the digital content to produce augmented reality experiences. By the definition, you have a real world, adding some digital element to that real world, we can track the objects easily. So what all the things can be tracked in using object tracking is, it may be a toys, monuments and statues, it can be industrial objects, it can be any tools or any household supplies. And the next is scene tracking. Scene tracking is, you can directly go to the particular place and you can track that image. It may be a 3D augmentation image, or it may be any annotations or any videos, which will be useful for the larger structures. So this is the example of scene tracking. We are at a particular place and we can use this augmented reality app to track. And the next example is image tracking. Image tracking means, if you have any printed note, you can track any image with the help of this mobile app. So to implement this functionality, the developer has to first predetermine which images they would like to use as AR triggers, which is also known as image targets. So this is the example here. You have a printed copy here, and you can use this mobile app to track the image. Not only single image, simultaneously we can track multiple image with the help of this tracker. It may be static or it can be interactive also.